Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JD with another beard product review. A while ago, I was up in San Francisco and I found this product called the Hairy Bastard Hair and Beard Wax in a scent called Campfire. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I've been using this a little bit. I actually stumbled upon it and in a store and actually really like it. The product is very, very waxy. It's very, very thick. So if you have a beard that requires a lot of hold to stay looking good, then this is a great product to buy. You can go to thehairybastard.com. These beard and hair waxes run for about $18 for a 2-ounce jar, I think it is. Yeah, 2 ounce. And the product is great. I love it. This Campfire scent actually super reminds me of like something you'd smell at Christmas. It's got kind of like a pine needle, a little bit of smoke, and I don't know what else is in there, but it actually smells really good. And it's strong enough that it kind of sticks with you all day, which I actually really like as well. And it provides a ton of hold, which is great. So I'm gonna use some of this. As you can tell, I've used quite a bit of this already. It's kind of been my go-to for a little while. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. And I'm just gonna get it nice and warm and distribute it through. And yeah, it provides a ton of hold. So now you can actually style it in whatever way you want to. If you've got anything that requires a little more hold, then you're set. It's also great for hair as well. So I can do that and provide a little bit of gentle hold of my hair. Even though I had product in there already, it still works. So yeah, the stuff is really fun. It's really great. It definitely has, like I said, a ton of hold. So if you've got a beard that requires a little more taming to make it look good, this is a great product. And just finish that off with a brush to distribute it all through, and you are looking good. There we go. So yeah, thehairybastard.com, about $18 for a tin. Send some love their way. It's a great product. And I got some other ones that I will do a review on later, but Campfire is the one that I found that really stuck out to me, and it's great for this time of year. Again, great gift idea for someone with a beard in your life, which there are lots of us, so feel free to buy them stuff for Christmas. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, ask questions. Happy to answer them. See you later.